Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is the Tennant B5 battery burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so if you have a broken or worn drive wheel and you need to replace it, this is how you do it. It's really easy. Jack it up from the back side of the machine first. Make sure your deck is down. Put a couple of blocks underneath the backside and then come a little closer to the drive wheel. That just allows it to kind of get up off of the ground. Now you got a 3/4 inch lock nut in here. You got to take that out. And the drive wheel just slides right off. Just like that. Now take your new drive wheel and just reverse the steps. Make sure that you line up the notch with the square key on the drive shaft. That. Replace your washer. And replace the 3/4 inch lock nut. Tighten it back down. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below, or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.